Welcome to Arabica's own channel. If you want to learn Arabic, speak Arabic, read Arabic, write Arabic, pronounce Arabic, this is the channel for you. Please share to anyone who wants to benefit and learn the Arabic alphabet and learn Arabic in general. Share to anyone. Alright, today's lesson is going to be the last letter. Yay! Finally, you've graduated the Arabic alphabet course, the comprehensive free course from the beginning till the end and all the in-betweens. Harf ya, letter ya equivalent to Y in English. This is how we write it. The top line is beginning, writing in the beginning, middle, and end. And then the second line is when we put fatha, dhamma, kasra, we read it as ya, you, yi. And then the third line is when we add mad bil alif, mad bil waw, mad bil ya, ya, you, yi. There's a stretch because these are called long vowels. Alright, so let's put harf ya into usage. Let's use harf ya in words that we can know what they mean and how to write them and pronounce them and read them and write them and how to put the vowels on them. Note that when you're reading Arabic books, most Arabic books have no vowels on them because they just assume that everybody who knows or will read Arabic knows already how to read those words. So they don't put the vowels, except the Quran, they do put the vowels. The first word on the top page is ya'isa. Ya'isa means he got hopeless. Not a very good positive meaning, but that's what it means. Ya'isa. The second word is yad. It means hand. The third word is aid. Aid or aidi means hands. The fourth word is Yasir, a very common Arabic name. And the fifth word is Yaban, Japan. So the ones in the red are the vowels that we're going to add, and they're equivalent in English. So Ya Isa, Fatha Kasra, Fatha, and then Yadun, Fatha Tanween Dam, and then Aidi, plural of Yad. Yad is one hand, Aidi is plural, lots of hands. So we put fatha on the hamza, sukun on the ya, and mad bil ya for the dal. That's why there's a stretch. Aidi. And then yasirin. The ya has mad bil alif, the sin has kasra, and the ra has tanween kasr, which is two kasra with the n sound at the end. And then yaban, which means Japan, is mad bil alif, and then tanween dam. Alright, let's learn another concept which is almost equivalent to mad bil alif, but it's called different name, which is Alif Maksoora. Alif Maksoora means a long vowel that is equivalent to mad bil alif, but it's at the end, only put at the end of the word, and it looks like this. It's like a ya, but no dots, and there's a tiny little alif inside of it, or mad bil alif inside of it, and we're gonna see that. So the first word is atsha, means thirsty for female, and then the second one is jaw'a, also hungry for female, and then yara, he sees, it means he sees for male. So that is how we write Alif Maksoora, as you can see. A little ya, no dots, with a little alif or mad bil alif inside of it. Now the equivalent to the letters of Arabic in English, and then the vowels are written in red. The atsha has fatha, sukun, fatha, and then alif maqsoora, the concept that we're talking about. The jaw'a has fatha, sukun, and then alif maqsoora for the ayn, and then the ya has fatha, and then alif maqsoora, and that's how we read it. Atsha, jaw'a, yara. Thirsty, hungry, he sees. If you don't know what I'm talking about, clearly you need to go to previous videos, refer to them to understand all these concepts and how to read the Arabic alphabet and how to use the vowels, short or long. Alright, we've reached the end of the video. If you want to learn Arabic, read Arabic, write Arabic, pronounce Arabic, for Quran reading purposes, for your career, or for personal reason, this is the channel for you. Please share to anyone who wants to learn Arabic and leave a like for the video.